Hey friends, this is MrsVolfie from Our Half Acre Homestead, and I'm still numb. I actually got to film some of the work he was doing. I couldn't film it all because I would have gotten in his way. But they took out that loose tooth, and over here, those two teeth are now gone. This one, this one right here, had a cavity so bad, and I couldn't even see it. But because the tooth is so small, it's all right, Gracie. I'm fine. Okay, give me this. Mwah. So, it had a cavity, but it would have taken root canal, like a filling and root canal, because it was like halfway through my tooth, and that was what was causing the worst of the nerve pain. Yeah, I know, I look like I've had a stroke. And I'm going back in 2 weeks. This was the best dentist I've ever. This lift is overcompensating for this one. This just doesn't. There's nothing working there. This is the best dentist I've ever been to. So if you live in Hull or in the surrounding area, Hull, Quebec, sector of Gatineau, I recommend this dental practice because they did a beautiful job. And Howie's insurance covered 80% of it. I got to film some of it, so I'm going to show it to you. And I'm going back in 2 weeks to have, I don't know what else is going to happen, but they're going to do a deep cleaning. I am suffering significant bone loss. Significant bone loss. All of these teeth, all my upper teeth are apparently loose. So, this is the best I can do. Here is some of the footage. The pliers. Oh, all right, it is. I felt that.
There you go. That's it.
It's done?
Yep.
I'll see you guys later. This guy is a miracle, and I'm going to shout him out, but my face is all blah, but I'll see you guys later, okay? 3 teeth gone. 3 teeth gone. Right into the denture zone. We're heading there. And here are the teeth I lost. They are, folks, the offenders, and I did have a cavity. Amazing. And this is the MrsVolfie from Our Half Acre Homestead saying, this is the dental clinic. I'm shouting them out, and they did a beautiful job, and I'm going back in 2 weeks. And that is something I never thought I'd say. All right? Look after your teeth. They got to last you a lifetime. But in my case, bone loss makes everything worse. All right? Take care. God bless.